everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you're gonna see how to create photo with ChatGPT. So to do that, let's head over to our ChatGPT, and here you have to write a prompt like make a picture of a puppy lying. And then just give it a go. And as you can see, it is processing the image. So lots of people are creating image right now. So this might take a bit. So they will notify when the image is ready. So you have to wait for a while till the image gets ready. So as you can see, the image is created and it may take a moment. So wait for it to get revealed. And as you can see, this is the picture that is made by ChatGPT. A cute little puppy lying down. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.